Hello, and welcome to Technic Force tutorial. In this video, we'll discuss how to monitor status using the task report section in VidScribe. So far in the VidScribe tutorials, we've been working with small files, processing them one at a time, and watching the task start and complete fairly quickly. However, in real-world scenarios, you may be working with longer videos and generating multiple translations simultaneously. In such cases, keeping track of the progress of your tasks efficiently becomes crucial. Let's dive in and see how you can monitor your tasks effectively. That makes it a bit more challenging to track the status of each task individually. The task menu tracks all the various processes in VidScribe, including transcribing videos, generating videos with subtitles, and generating videos with voiceovers. In the taskbar, each task is displayed with an icon and a remark indicating its current status: complete, failed, processing, and pending. Now, let's take VidScribe for a test run to illustrate how this works. We'll queue multiple tasks and track their progress in real time. Now, let's navigate to the campaign section and go back to start. From a menu, we'll select Subtitle Video and generate a subtitle video. For this example, we'll name it Video 1. Now, let's create multiple subtitle videos in a row to demonstrate how the task menu helps manage them efficiently. Once we queue up several tasks, let's check the taskbar. Here, we can see a variety of statuses. Processing, currently in progress. Complete, successfully finished. Queued, waiting to be processed. Failed, if an issue occurred. This view makes it easy to keep track of multiple tasks running at the same time. So that's just a really quick demonstration as to how you can monitor status with Task Report in VidScribe. On behalf of the Technic Force team, we wish you all the best in your internet marketing success. Thanks very much for watching.